Wellstreet has a huge network of really talented people, both the companies within Wellstreet but also the partnerships around. I think the whole network effect of collaboration is enormous. I'm Patrice Lust. I'm an entrepreneur and drive my own consultancy firm, mainly focusing on expansion, growth, transformation and digital development for companies.
My name is Hanna Moisander and I'm the co-founder of DEB, Diverse Executive Boards, which is a board education program. I'm also an active board member and have a background within e-commerce, growth and digital sales. I just love the purpose of what we are doing today, helping companies and making an impact, kind of taking care of what I actually have learned and making sure to give back to the community. And I'm super happy for Wellstreet to facilitate this opportunity. I remember a lot of laughs. We had so much fun last time. I'm so looking forward to these days. I also remembered how you could actually just give some kind of question that actually gave an opportunity for the company to grow and rethink what they were doing, and to see their eyes lighten up with a new solution and a way forward and a lot more energy was super nice.
Using my experience from building brands digitally, diving into the brains of entrepreneurs and being there to find more potential is really exciting, and I have a lot of respect for entrepreneurs, where they stand today and the challenges they face. So it's really fulfilling to be able to be contributing with my experience in this really cool group of people.
I also love the people working here. They're humble and really hardworking people I want to be around, which is why I'm happy to be here.